Hi, this is Jasper from Beyond Labs, and today we're going to go over how to use a pipette in our lab software. So, obviously, to use a pipette, you're going to want to go down to our drawer marked pipette and click on it. So this is going to show you the available sizes. Now, once you determine what size it is you need for your lab, there's two ways to go about bringing it over here. The first is just as simple as drag and drop. As you get closer to it, it's going to lock in, as you can kind of see here, and then once you let go, it's free. And then you can, fill it up as needed. Once you're done, or if you no longer need it, the easiest way to get rid of it is to drag it over here, where it is disposed of when you leave, in the cleanup lab bench. Now, the other way to get the pipette locked in over here is just as simple as double-clicking. And would you look at that? So that's really what you need to know for our pipette. Thank you for watching.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and go to beyondlabs.com for the latest virtual labs.